Well, hello, you trader nerds. Hope everybody's having a fabulous, fabulous day. It is I, Sweet Bobby, and it is Christmas Eve. So, hope everybody is in the spirit of Christmas. And real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got DB with us today, and Dwayne, and iPhone, and Jordan, and Mo, and Rick, and Vicky with an I, and Jim B. So, good to see all of you and appreciate you spending your Christmas week with us as my kids are screaming in the background. Look at this. NQ up 0.56%. What does that mean for our little friend TQQQ? That ought to be up, what, 1.5%, right? Yeah, and there it is, 1.48%. The E-minis, now here's why I'm telling you, I think volatility is coming, y'all. Watch. E-minis are up 11 points, right? It's just up a little bit. But look at the AD. Look at the AD. AD is negative 150. Something's not right. And I think a day of reckoning is coming. May not be today, may not be tomorrow, may not be the first of the year, but something just seems really, really, really off here with the advance and decline. But what do I know? I have no idea. Let's look at our big green monster. Where's our big green monster? Oh, man. Hold on. Let's leave big green monster. Volume profile, and let's detach this. Detach. There we go. Hey, baby. Here's our big green monster. So we fell out of the fair value zone, but what do? We pop back into the fair value zone. We come back down to the bottom of the fair value zone, and we are back in it at the value area low. Look at all this. We've got a lot of volume where there was no volume to explore here. So this may, on the E-minis, look a little bit bullish to us, right? Let's look at NQ, see what it looks like. NQ is a little bit bullish as well because we are oversold for the fair value zone above it. So, peg it at the 22,006 looks like where we may want to go. But again, with the AD doing what it is, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see a good size drop down, in the coming week or two. So we'll see. I thought it might be this week. Low volume this week may not happen this week, maybe on into the first of the year, but something is wrong with the AD advancers and declines, and it's not being reflected in the market. So that'll be interesting to see what happens. Let's look at our linear regression. Linear regression goes to the bottom of the thing and then pops back up. Look at that. Isn't that great? I mean, just continuing the upslide. So not sure that I would put in any lines here to project anything, but it's just interesting. We had a day that we fell out of bed and now we're just inching back up. So very, very cool. All right, let's see how our account is doing today. Account's doing really, really nice. So here's our positions. We've got, how's our little micro doing? Here, let's see, this little micro, the naked put of the 111 is down $50, but it's up $31 today. So that's doing good. And that one is at the 5,500 and we're at 6,008. So that one's looking really, really good. Let's see what our TQQs are looking like. We've got a put and TQQ is at 84 and our put is at 74. So we're currently down $62 on that. No big deal. And our covered call is printing about $40, which is kind of good. We're at the 89 and again, we're at 84. So everything looks really, really good. Let's see about our hedges. Make sure we got hedges in place because we got some coming off at some point. So let's see, auto refresh. Let's do that. We want to look at MES and we want to look at TQQQ and risk analysis. And we want to bump this puppy up to 40. And we want to change that to points. And let's see. This is our ES positions being down 20. This is our ES positions down 20, and this is our TQQQ, which we want to change to being up down 60, I mean. So we don't have much of a hedge on it all. What we probably need to do, quite honestly, is to take off and harvest these three short puts here. So what would that give us? That would give us 15,000. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Let's go do that. Let's harvest that. So let's see. We've got our activity. We got our working orders. Where is that one at 20 cents? That's not it. MESES at 20 cents. Here's the three. See that? It's at 45 cents. Let's see if we can get that replace order. And let's see if we can bump it up to 40 cents. Let's try 35. Oh, that was loud. Was that loud to y'all? Or was that just loud to me? Let's see. Let's go to activity. Let's change this now to 40. Nothing. Let's change it to 45. I'm trying to be a cheapskate here. And we are out. Now let's see what we look like. Let's go look at our thing again. And 5. Let's do price. Yeah, we got a $15,000 hedge. That's enough going into the weekend, I think, or going into the week. So this may weaken, so we may have to put on additional hedges, but I think everything's fine, especially today. Let's see, our little account's up pretty good, like $250 or so. Let's see what we were up today. We're up $298, almost $300. That's good. And our other little account we're doing this in is up $68 on the day. Good. All right, that's it, y'all. Nothing more to do than that. Hope you have a great Christmas Eve, and I will see y'all tomorrow.